understand. Because I have gone out of the screen, no? So it will change the focus. V1 equals to base, BASE, base. V2 equals to past, PAST, past. V3 equals to past participle, PAST, past. PARTICIPLE, past participle. This is what I have written. This is what you have to write two times. After writing two times, say yes sir in your name. So I can
Sir,
tick
yes, sir.
mark that you are doing it.
Using 5G. Sir, yes, sir.
Okay, Chokia Azimi is not answering me, ma'am. Then
Yes.
who is this Rajia Landa? Who
Yes,
is
sir,
not
not bad.
answering me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then Zamin Sayyed is not answering me, ma'am. He is
Sir,
never
by
answering me in any lecture. So, accordingly, ma'am, please write. So, why have I written this? Because yesterday I gave you the formula of all three tenses: simple past, simple present, and simple future tense. Now, in the simple past, simple present, simple future tense formula, V1, V2, you might have seen this written V1, V2. So V1 means base, V2 means past, V3 means past participle. Now every time in the formula I will not write the full form. I will just write V1, V2, V3. That means you have to understand that which form of the verb is written. See, again you have the chance to understand each and every form of the verb and the formula. I will explain you one by one. Understand it and answer me, and you are free to question when I explain. Now let us first understand first form of the tense. Whose mic is on? This formula I have already given you. Okay. Now, Landa Noman,
Yes, sir.
can you read the formula again? Simple present tense I am teaching you.
सर मुझे अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहा.
Okay, beta, no problem. Mute your mic. Asaria Zohair Abbas, can you read the formula again? Simple present tense.
Yes. Subject plus verb plus s or es plus object.
But what is written here?
V2.
V2 is written.
Uh, I cannot see, sir.
Okay. So you don't know that in simple present tense V2 comes or V1 comes.
Only verb comes.
No, V1. Verb means V1. So what is the meaning of V1?
Base.
Okay, base form. What is the meaning of base form of the verb? Main verb will be there, right? We have to add S or ES. Now, mute your mic, everyone.
Excuse me, sir.
When do we have? Yes, ma'am.
It's board, not like blood. It is blood. It is your like camera. Just to set the camera, sir.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Yes, Fazil. Asharia Mohammed Fazil.
Yes, sir. Your screen has too much blur.
Why it is only happening in your class?
Sir, not only fuzzy in my phone also blurring. Sir, yes, on my also.
Blurring? What is the meaning of blurring? Wow, new word. Blurring. I can do one thing.
Screen present and on that camera. So left. Once I left the
Yeah.
game. Once I left the class.
This
Sir.
I just rejoined it. And now you will have to wait for a while time. And I will ask you after few seconds.
Sir, because camera is focusing.
No, it will happen many a times. It happens. There is no issue regarding this. Or blur. If you want to speak like that, you can do nothing other than finding the solution. Yeah, it is blur. So if you will speak blur, it will not get clear. No, you have to find the way to get it clear. So we will wait for a while time. Anyways, till then, let me give you few instruction because my voice is clear. So subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus object. This is the formula of the simple present tense. Now I will explain you simple present tense again. Now sometimes you have to add S or ES. Sometimes you have to add S or ES. When do we have to add S or ES? Sometimes, at the end of the verb, S or ES is there. Fight will become fight. Drink will become drinks. Run will become runs. Play will become plays. Right? Then sometimes we have to add ES, not only S. Sometimes we have to add ES. Right? Like dress will become dresses, class will become classes. So when it happens, you have to say that when S we have to add, when do we have to add ES? Buran sir.
Yes.
It is clear now?
Some much. Slowly,
Better than
slowly.
before. Anyways, what am I saying is, when do we have to add S or ES in the simple present tense formula? In the formula, subject plus V1 plus S or
Singular.
ES plus object. Singular, but what singular? What is singular at that time we have to add S or ES with the verb?
She.
Object.
It. Subject. Subject.
Subject, exactly. When subject is singular,
She, he.
when subject is singular, at that time you have to add s or es with the verb. Is it clear? A little bit clear? More than before?
Write this. Sir,
Yes, you have to write this
it is
in
clear,
the.
but some much.
Okay. Those who can see what I have written, they can write
But
quickly.
that much clear we can write.
Yeah. So see, I have done the arrow in the same way. You have to do the arrow and write. If you can see, write and then say yes sir and your name, so I can know that how many of you are trying to write.
Sir, what did you have written downside?
Singular, Singular. Wait, I have one more option. Wait. I have one more option.
Sir, share your screen and on that camera.
Yeah, no, that is not the option now. The reason is if I will share my screen, the battery will be consumed. More battery will be consumed. No, that is not the option. I have one more option. Don't worry. The best thing is because today Wi-Fi is not working. The screen was not getting blur, no, in the previous classes.
Sir, tomorrow screen is very clear.
Yeah, because Wi-Fi was there. Today Wi-Fi is not there because some Wi-Fi connection problem is there, line connection. But no worries. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay. Can you see this sharing screen,
Yes.
students? Is everyone there?
Yes.
How many of you can see this share screen I have done?
Sir, Mendes and I can see.
Sorry, Fuzzy. Walk is done and screen also see.
Obviously, screen you can see now. Now, if you say it is blur, I will come to your house. Okay. So what did I do is I said that this subject. I forgot to handle this thing. Okay. When the subject is singular, when the subject is singular, at that time you have to add s or es. Can you see the diagram clearly now?
Yes.
And with what will you add s or es? With what? With verb. That means any action. When any action is written, with that you have to add s or es. For example, run, then sleep, then eat. See, these are the actions, right? These are the verbs. So sometimes you have to write run will become runs, sleep will become sleeps, eat will become eats. When it will become only when the subject is singular. Now subject is singular means what? He, she, it, or any one person's name is there. Only one subject is there. At that time, you have to add s or es. Am I clear? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. So after you write this, say yes sir in your name.
Sir, yang
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Cuk Kazim, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mendes, yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Now if you remember, just now I gave you two times to write one thing. V1 base, V2 past, and V3 past
Yes,
participle.
sir.
Yes,
So
yes.
this V1 means base form of the verb. Base form. That means run will become run only. So let me give you one more example. V1, V2, V3. See, if this is V1, V2, V3, then let me give you one example related to it. Eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. See, V1 verb will be eat. In V2, in the past form, it will become ate. In V3, past participle form, the verb will become eaten. But here in this formula, we will use V1, that is eat. Similarly, this is just one example. Similarly, in simple
Sir, we have,
present tense, what happened?
sir, we have to write this V1, V2, V3, 8, eaten,
If you
eaten.
want, you can write because you have written base, past, and past participle, no? So this is the example to show you. See, verb means action. Now we cannot count the action. No, actions are many. Eat is just one action. There are many action in the world, right? So I have given you one example of the action. That action, if we write in the simple present tense, it will take V1 form. That is eat. We cannot write ate or eaten in this formula in the simple present tense. That is what I mean to explain you. Those who have not written, those who have not said, yes, sir, I have written this formula, for them, I'm going to cut the marks today now. So that now when I'm planning to call your parents, I can show them the marks that when they have answered and when they have not. Okay, let me write one question. Can anyone tell me what is the mistake in this sentence? What is the mistake in this sentence?
Sir, in this Rohan ate pizza.
So,
Sir,
Eat.
it was good. EAT.
So eat spelling is right. EAT.
It will
What is the
become
Because
mistake?
it was
A.
not a
See, students, Rohan is only one. Rohan is only
Sir,
one in.
singular.
Yes, so Rohan is singular because Rohan is one. One means singular. So eat with eat we add S or es. So with eat we usually add eats. That is the mistake here.
ants.
Rohan eats pizza because Rohan is only one. We will write eats, not eat. Okay. Now if I say they play football, is this sentence right or wrong?
Sir, right.
Right.
Why it is right?
Sir,
Because
it is not singular.
It is plural. They.
It is plural. Sir, there
They
means many.
very good. They means many. They is not singular. So we don't have to add s or es with the verb. I repeat, they means many. So when many, more than one people are there in the subject, we don't have to add s or es. Okay, because they means many, not one.
oh,
Only if the subject part is singular, at that time we have to add s or es, otherwise not. Am I clear? Am I making sense?
Yes.
Okay, now if I write,
It is wrong.
who was that? Just tell me the name at least when you speak the answer.
Sir, sorry.
Okay.
Children eats lot of food. What is wrong in this sentence?
Sir, it will not come eats. It will come eat.
This is wrong. How many of you agree with Zohair Abbas?
I. Mendi
Children.
Hasan.
sorry, Ahmad Fazil.
Why, Fazil? Why this is wrong?
Sir, wrong na
Oh,
right.
sir.
It is.
It is right.
Yes.
Zohair Abbas said it is wrong. You should not use this. Why?
Sir,
See, here
can I?
is
Sir, can I?
written.
Sir, can I?
Yes, 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 yes.
Sir, you have right only. You have right eats, and afterward there is a lot. So lot of food means eats mean one more than two or three. We will take eats like chocolates and childrens like that. So in these children eats lot of food means there is a lot of food. So the eats came.
You are halfway there. See, the formula says when the starting part is singular, one person is there or one animal, any one thing is there. Only then you have to use s or es with the verb. Okay. Here with eat, I have used s. With eat, with verb, I have used s. Why? Subject is singular? No. Subject is plural? No. Children.
Children means
It
many
is not,
children.
it is not child. Child means one. Children means
Lot of
Many
child.
children. Children.
more than one, in short. So children means many. So if more persons people are there in the subject part. That time we cannot add s or es. Am I clear?
Yes.
So children eat lot of food. That is right. Eats is not right because children means plural. So when subject is plural, at that time we don't have to add s or es. Let me ask few questions. Okay, now Zaki. Oh,
Yes, sir.
explain
Yes,
this
sir.
explain this formula
Yes, sir.
again.
It's okay. Subject means subject plus V1 plus S or ES plus O is equal to this. When it's subject, when in sentence subject is singular, it comes then verbs in ending of the verb there is added S or ES plus object and plus verb 1 means verb E, not present verb, not past verb. It is called present.
So Zaki, I have written one sentence here. Is this sentence right or wrong?
It's lots of food. So it's right.
It's right.
No, sir, it's wrong.
Why it is wrong?
Because children is lots of, not singular. Child is singular, children is not singular.
Exactly. So children is plural, not singular. Only if it is singular, at that time you have to add s or es. Here, why s or es? We should not add because children is not singular. Children means many. Am I making sense, children? Am I clear?
Means many.
No, children means now I'm telling to you all. Am I making sense, students? That means okay. So let me write one more
Yes.
example. Mm, what sentence I have written, Fazil?
Zaki drink lots of water. Sir, it is wrong.
This sentence is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because drinks.
Drink. So drink spelling is right. What is wrong?
Sir,
Drinks.
sir, we have
Sir,
to
we have to
S.
add S.
Sir, because
Because Zaki was singular
Sir, I want
one on.
sir. I can
Sir,
understand.
Zaki was
I can.
singular because it is one only.
Very good. One by one. All of you can say. No problem.
This subject shows plural. Singular.
Exactly. Zaki is only one. So it is singular. When it is singular, at that time we have to add.
S or ES.
So here I have not added s or es with the verb. That is why it is
That
wrong. So if I say drinks, sorry, let me type because okay. If I say drinks, Zaki drinks, then
sir, it is correct now.
Zaki drinks lot of water. It is then correct because I have added s with the verb drink. Am I
Yes.
clear? Now, any doubts in this formula, then please ask me.
No, sir. No, dark. No question.
Okay. Now, students, today I have given you three types of verbs. V1 base form, V2 is past form, and V